Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to check out the making of delicious gulab jamun by using milk powder. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. Let's get into the recipe. To make jamuns, I am soaking semolina in water for about 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, I am taking 2 cups of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter should be in room temperature, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of Maida flour or all-purpose flour. Mix everything together. I am adding in the soaked semolina and I am giving a quick mix. Add milk in small portions and bring everything together to form a dough. Don't knead it forcefully. Once it's done, let it rest for 10 minutes. Now make it into small balls. Now it's time to fry the jamuns. I'm heating up oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, fry the jamuns on medium flame till it gets nice brown color. To prepare sugar syrup, I'm taking 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, cardamom, which gives a nice flavor. I'm adding in some saffron strands and a pinch of food color, and this is purely optional. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, now I am adding in fried balls to the sugar syrup. Switch off the flame and let it soak for at least 2 hours.